Welcome to Home Electric Solution. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and click on bell icon for watching our innovative and creative videos. In this video, we will discuss about how we can connect the batteries in different combinations, series, parallel, and both combinations. And firstly, this is this one is two batteries, and two batteries are connected in series, and one battery 1 and battery 2. Each battery voltage is 12 volt, and output voltage are 24 volt, and inverters are solar inverters, UPS, which require the 24 volt battery bank. We can use this connection, but must follow one thing. You must install the DC breaker in output wires, and also loops must be the same. Furthermore, this is the number 2, and the four batteries are connected in series, and each battery volt is 12 volt, and the output voltage is 48 volt. So you can see battery 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 loops are same, and also positive wire to negative output wires are also same. Must be careful while cutting your wires for positive and negative. These must be same. Never cut down one wire short or one longer, because if we cut the one wire short and one long, while charging and discharging, batteries will face the one wire will have a more loss, and one wire will have a less loss. So that's why at the end we face the discrimination on the battery cycles. So be careful while that. Furthermore, this one is the 6 volt cells, and we can connect the four 6 volt cells in series, and we take the 24 volt by using these connections. Similarly, we can connect the 2 volt cells. If we connect the 6 cells of 2 volt, we will get the 12 volt output. If we connect the 12 volt 12 cells of 2 volt, and get the 24 volt, and if we connect the 24 cells in series, and we can get the 48 volt on output. So these are the cells connections type, and this one is the battery parallel connection. And in this section you must be careful how you are cutting your loops. Are you using the any bus bar where you connect all batteries positive and negative at one box, and after that you collect the output? But if you are not using this method, you are directly connecting the loop, but loop must be same as I told you earlier, because of losses, because of one wire diameter is different, and other diameter and length is different, so losses of positive and negative wire will be different. So that's why in parallel condition battery loops must be the same. Similarly, these are the 8 batteries, 1 2 3 4 A B C D, and these are the two different strings, and number one strings have a four batteries of 12 volt and connected in series, and for its output is 48 volt. Similarly, the string 2, which labeled with A B C D. But you can see battery 4 and battery D is connected with the negative and negative, it's on parallel. On the other side, 1 and A is connected with positive to positive. These two loops are must be same, and also the loops which are connected from B to C, C to D. Similarly, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. These loops must be same. And no, one is the important point which we need to know, the how we can connect the batteries with inverter. Look, there is a one breaker. Always follow the breaker. And one more thing, definitely here, this is the diagram. It's not the actual picture, but on the one output wire, negative is connected with the D, and positive is connected with the 1. These two wires must be same. Definitely, I made this on the software. I cannot lose the wire as the actual place, but the wire where the breaker is installed, and the other side, on the opposite side, one arrow is showing the negative and the positive output wire must be same. The negative and positive output wire must be same. Battery safety is also most important, and always use the cool environment for battery placing, and furthermore clean the batteries, and check the regularly or weekly or monthly, your batteries are not going to heat or anything other problem batteries are facing. But never connect the batteries in that way, which is the jungling of wires, and definitely you can face some hazards or other dangerous condition. So be careful about that.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our innovative and creative videos. We are here for helping around everything about the home electric solution. This is page in front of you is our website, Instagram, and also Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Visit our website. Furthermore, there is a page of Facebook and also Facebook group. You can join us and like our page. Please come and come to our YouTube channel and subscribe it, and we definitely upload every video regarding home and industrial and house kind of innovative and creative things are available in our market. Please join us. Thank you so much, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.